What's up, guys? Well, today I got a bunch of single Vivid Voltage, and for some reason I got a Rebels Clash too, but hey. Okay, so we were first gonna start, of course, with the Rebels Clash, then we can go with the Vivid Voltage. Let's see. Your singles. I couldn't find singles, so I just bought these. So, but these are just as good too. So here's the trio. Of course, I got that. Oh! Here you go, guys. The code. There you guys go. Enjoy that. Hope you guys win a lot of battles. Think of me when you win. Of course, and we got the Lucario. Let's see. And we got that Rebels Clash. Let's do it. Do it. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Let's do it. Oh, trying to. Let's see. Okay, so. Alright, there you go. And then I think it's 4 on this one. 3? 1, 2, 3. I think it's it. Nope, it's 4. Oh yeah, it's 4. It's 4. Okay. So, you guys already saw the other one, right? Here across. I got Bucket. We got another Voltorb, Nose Pass, Wingo, Phantom. We got a Bonswong. We got a Butterfree. Oh, Butterfree. It's kind of hard to get a Butterfree, to be honest. Oh, dude, we got a Melodic V. That is awesome. Right off the bat, we're going to start with the Melodic V. On Rebels Clash. That was Rebels Clash, guys. Not bad. Alright, so. Let's see. So, let's see. Open this up. Oh. I'm pulling a coin. I got a bunch of coins now. Let's put it right here. Let's collect them right here. We're going to have a lot at the end of the video. Okay, so of course, the trio. You guys already know. Trio, and here's the card for the trio. We're gonna leave this one right here. We're gonna have a bunch of these too at the end of the video too. All right. Ooh, we're gonna go with Pikachu. All right, let's go, Pikachu. I need you in my life. Pikachu, it's all about you. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's see what we get. Nessa. Alright, let's do a Scudrill, Milcery, Whooper, Nikata, Whismer, Drooper. Oh, the Canyon, and we got a Charizard. Okay, nice. Not a reverse hollow, but hello, sorry, but it's a nice Charizard, no or less. There's the champion right there. Cool. Of course, we got another Vivid Voltage. Let's open this one right up real quick. Get the single pack out, and let's show the coin first. The Empoleon, you guys already saw the Empoleon. Alright, here's the trio, the evolution, and here you guys go. Here's the code for that. Alright. When you guys win, think of me. We're gonna put this one right here, and let's get started. Let's open it. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Here you guys go. The code. Oh, it's upside down. There you guys go. Cool. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 4. Alright, Steel. Alright. Inktan, Free, Sandile, Seedot. Alright. Mudbray, Jolteon, Ashuat, Executor. Oh, that was it? Oh, it was Executor. Oh, okay. Not bad. I like Executor. come on, come on. There's no way Rebels Clash is doing better than Vivid Voltage. What is this? Alright. Let's see. Oh, this one didn't. Very nice, smooth opening. Alright. Here's a single. And of course, you guys already saw it. Luxray. Here's the code for that. There you go. And of course the coin. The coin is always I'm pulling it. There you go. So good. But here's the real treasure right here. Let's see what you're gonna give us, Sarud. Come on, Sarud. Give us something good. And don't be rude about it. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Here you guys go. The code. Win a lot of matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. Alright, water. We got water. Delmai. Oh, Galarian Stunfisk. Alright. Banffy. Yama. Meow. Alright. We got. Oh, we got. Oh, nice. And we got. Wish. Okay, okay. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is the last one. Oh man. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I'm disappointed on these. But hey, maybe this one's gonna make all the hype worth. Hopefully. Come on, Pikachu. Come on, Pikachu. Don't disappoint me. And of course the coin. Let's leave the coin here. And here's these guys right here. We're gonna leave this guy right here. I may give this away if you guys are interested. You know, subscribe to keep up. I may give all my doubles away. You know. So yeah, just subscribe to keep up. And here's the code for the trio. And let me see. Oh, come on, Pikachu. Come on, you know you want me. You know you want me. Come on, Pitbull. I mean, alright, come on. Alright, here's the code. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Nessa, okay, let's see. Okay, he's hiding. Charmander and Shiftry. No. Why? Okay. That's good. Alright. Alright, so just to recap, I'm gonna show you like this, guys. See if you guys can see. Let's see if the camera can focus on these. Yeah. And here's the coins. That's all we got. But of course, can't forget the Milotic V. Look at this one. Oh, oh my! It looks nice. I like it. I like Milotic. Oh, Milotic. It's nice. It's a nice Pokemon. Nice. Alright, guys. See you on the next one.